Hello, my name is Maria Guzman, and I am the creator of the Billings Brewery. My brewery specializes in serving Montana craft brews and quality local foods. The problems my competitors are facing include missing a variety of craft beers they serve, lacking in quality local foods, and an absent variety of entertainment options in their establishments. The Billings Brewery takes these problems into consideration to stay ahead of the competition. This brewery has over 20 craft brews, serves quality local foods, and has a diverse selection of entertainment options including pool tables, dartboards, live music, other games, and TVs for sports fans. Opening the brewery is a great opportunity because it is a durable industry that continues to grow every year. Craft breweries are also trending in millennial markets. On average, millennials try 5 different craft beers per month, and 58% of all craft beer drinkers are younger than 35. This is why millennials are my target market. The millennial age range is between 21 and 35. Millennials have created this trend of exploring craft brews, and the numbers continue to rise every year. In 2016, 57% of millennials were weekly craft beer drinkers. The Billings Brewery serves a wide variety of craft beers, including ales, stouts, porters, lagers, and more. The brewery also serves quality foods consisting of burger sliders, pretzel fondue platters, and oven-baked pizzas. Based off of my YouTube interviews, I found that 67% of my interviewees said that carrying such a wide selection of craft brews was the first priority and separates this brewery from every other place in Billings. 50% said that my second priority is to have quality local foods, and 66% ranked having entertainment options as my third priority. My interviewees were all between the ages of 21 and 35, and found the Billings Brewery to be a feasible business and somewhere they would visit repeatedly. Depending on the type and size of craft beer, the price will range from $4 to $7 per drink. The food dishes will range from $7 to $10. 86% of my interviewees said that they would be willing to pay these prices for quality foods and drinks. There are many competitors in Billings. Some examples are Uber Brew, Angry Hank's Brewery, Montana Brewing Company, Thirsty Street Brewing Company, Carter's Brewing, and Canyon Creek Brewing Company. Although these places all create high competition, none specialize in only craft brews, and that gives the Billings Brewery an advantage. 30% of the Billings population are millennials, and on average, craft beer drinkers in the millennial age range is between 45 and 55%. From this information, I found my potential market to be 15,652. I also found that 57% of millennials will go out for a craft beer on a weekly basis, and 73% to go out for a craft beer monthly. From this information, I found my frequency rate to be 15 annually, meaning that on average, one customer will buy my product 15 times in 1 year. Based off the frequency rate and potential market findings, the Billings Brewery's cash flow is on an upward trend. This puts the brewery's net present value at $1,278,075, the internal rate of return at 64%, and the break-even units at 16,553. The critical variables in this business idea are the frequency rate and the number of direct competitors. At the minimum, the frequency rate cannot get below 6, meaning repeat customers only coming in once every 2 months. If it gets below this rate, the net present value will go negative. The other variable, direct competitors, cannot exceed 12 businesses, or the net present value will go negative as well. If either of these happen, this business would not be feasible. However, this business idea could work. The net present value is positive, there is a positive cash flow, and the frequency rate and number of direct competitors are in the right ranges. With this growing industry that is trending with millennials, combined with the Billings Brewery's added value, this business will succeed.